Hey guys, today I will tell you how to solve why you can't transfer crypto from Robinhood to Coinbase. Let's get started.
Unlike other platforms, Robinhood doesn't provide wallet addresses for your cryptocurrency holdings. This means you can send crypto directly to external wallets. The workaround requires multiple steps. First, sell your crypto on Robinhood, converting it to cash in your account, then transfer this cash to your linked bank account. Once the funds arrive in your bank, transfer them to your Coinbase account. Finally, use those funds on Coinbase to repurchase the cryptocurrency you previously held. This process takes time and carries market risk. You might sell low on Robinhood and buy high on Coinbase, or vice versa. The advantage comes after moving to Coinbase, where you gain full wallet control and can transfer freely between platforms. I've created a detailed guide for signing up on Coinbase that I'll link below. This multi step process is currently the only option for Robinhood crypto users wanting external wallet access. If this explanation clarifies the transfer limitations, please like and subscribe.
And that's it guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.